Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set a photo timer on the iPhone 17 Pro. So, if you want to take a photo and you want to have a timer to count down before actually taking the photo, then the first thing that we're going to do is open up the photo app, the camera app, sorry. And then we're going to select photo mode, so this one right here on the bottom, and then we're going to press on the 6 dots on the top right to open up the controls menu and select timer. And here you can select the timer countdown, like amount of time. So you can select 10 seconds, so it's going to count down 10 seconds before taking the photo, 5 or 3. So just select the option that you want. Then what you do is just set up the camera of where you want to take a shot of, and then just tap the button to start taking the photo. It will count down, and it will also use a flash to help you see the countdown on the other side of the screen, and then it's going to actually take the photo. So there we go, this is the photo, and well, that is pretty much it. Now you go to the timer and you can turn it off if you're done. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.